How to add skin sensitivity in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the left top, simply tap on your profile again. Now double tap on it. Here you'll be in this account settings. Now here on the second option, tap on skincare and beauty. So here on the second option, you can see skin sensitivity. Tap on skin sensitivity and tap on add. So here you'll be able to answer, or you can give the answer if it's sensitive or not. So here I'm tapping on yes and tap on save. So the results and the suggestion will be given accordingly in this shopping platform. So you can go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.